Hi guys, I am going to read English newspaper. The multi-crore makeovers that failed. Congestion, waterlogging at Brahmpulla flyover, Mathura Road, and Pragati Maidan tunnel has only intensified. The multi-crore ambitious projects of Brahmpulla flyover, Mathura Road and Pragati Maidan tunnel, which aimed at solving the traffic woes in the national capital and connect satellite cities around Delhi such as Noida and Ghaziabad, has not only failed to take the burden off from the city roads, it has made the situation worse with commuters sitting for hours in the jams on the stretches. Ironically, the Brahmpulla elevated corridor, which was meant to solve traffic congestion in South Delhi, has now become among the worst stretches for people to cross at peak hours. Hundreds of vehicles are routinely stranded in massive jams that stretch on for many kilometers on the roads leading to and from the flyover. The flyover is situated between Ems flyover and the Sundel at Sarai Kale Khan over Brahmpulla Nala and is one of the crucial roads linking commuters of Ghaziabad and Noida with South Delhi and vice versa. Each carriageway of Brahmpulla flyover has three lanes. Several bottlenecks are formed on the flyover, leading to vehicles barely crawling in the specific location. Basically, a traffic bottleneck is a localized disruption of vehicular traffic on a street, road, or highway as opposed to a traffic jam. A bottleneck is a result of a specific physical condition, often the design of the road, badly timed traffic lights, or sharp curves. According to the Delhi Traffic Police Department, as per the current traffic flow pattern, the volume of traffic coming from Ghaziabad through NE03 National Highway 03 Delhi Meerut Expressway and Noida coming through DND is very high in the morning. The traffic coming from Ghaziabad and Noida ascends the Brahmpulla flyover near Sundel due to heavy volume of traffic coming through in 6 lanes and discharging only through 3 lanes of Brahmpulla flyover. A bottleneck is created, resulting in congestion on Ring Road near Sundel. Similarly, in the evening peak hours, the traffic coming from Ems and Lodi Road merges near Hazrat Nizamuddin Basti, which creates a bottleneck at the said merging point. Additional Commissioner of Police of Traffic Zone 2 Dinesh Gupta to the Pioneer stated. He added that letters have not returned to the Public Works Department to increase the width of the carriageways to accommodate more vehicles and reduce the traffic woes. As per the official data assessed exclusively by the Pioneer, a total of 3,252 improper parking challans, 7,823 challans, 2,183 tow away challans, and 913 e-rickshaw no entry challans have been issued on the flyover till October 7 this year. Thank you guys for watching.